Mrs. Fochman.
Mrs. Fochman is the 5th grade teacher here at St. Thomas. She grew up in Wisconsin, but came to Grand Rapids, Michigan.
Mrs. Fochman has wanted to teach ever since she was a kid, but not necessarily in a classroom. She has taught classes at Blandford Nature Center as well as traditional schools.
As a child, she attended Holy Apostles, then moved on to Eisenhower High School, and then University of Wisconsin. Eventually, she went to GVSU in Michigan. Mrs. Fochman loves to work in her garden in her free time, as well as play sports. She played volleyball, basketball, and softball all throughout junior high and high school, and she loves playing them even now.
She wanted to work at St. Thomas because she feels a great sense of peace and purpose when she walks through the doors. She loves teaching here because she can share her love of Christ.
I think she's amazing. She's very spiritual, peaceful, calming. There's almost a, you walk in and you just want to, I love Mrs. Fochman. That's it. Okay. She's wonderful.
Well, Mrs. Fochman's funny, and she can see a gift in anyone, the person you least expect.
Do you think she's helped you develop your faith?
Definitely. I mean, today she read about the disciples.
I wake up every morning and just realize what a privileged ministry it is to teach. I do love it.
How long have you been teaching?
Well, in different capacities, 10 years. I did a lot of outdoor education with Blandford and Meyer Gardens. In youth ministry, I did a lot of teaching. And then this is my second year at St. Thomas. One of my favorite parts about teaching is having the opportunity to share Christ with young people. So the subjects are fun to teach, but really sharing faith and sharing faith stories is really my favorite.
And what do you think the best part of St. Thomas is?
Oh gosh, you guys, all of the young people are here, and the staff and everybody I work with. It's just a great place to be.